In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join CapCut Pioneer Program. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device and go to the CapCut Pioneer website. You can do that by typing the official Pioneer Program page address directly into your browser's address bar, then loading the page. Make sure you enter the web address carefully so you land on the correct page. Once the website opens, take a moment to look over the page layout. On the left side, you should see a button labeled Join Now. This is the main button you'll use to access the program, so if you don't spot it right away, just scan the left side of the screen and it should be visible there. When you're ready, click on the Join Now button. After selecting it, the site will direct you to the Pioneer Program page. Depending on your internet speed or device, this may take a few seconds, so just give it a moment to load fully. Once you're inside the Pioneer Program, you'll be able to explore what it offers for creators. This program is designed to help you level up your content creation, especially if you're looking to improve your editing skills and stay more connected with new tools and trends inside the CapCut ecosystem. You can also find useful best practices, important updates, and practical guidance related to content creation. That means it's not just a sign-up page, but also a resource that can support your growth over time. If you create videos regularly, this kind of guidance can be especially helpful for improving consistency and quality in your work. Another benefit of the Pioneer program is that it can help you sharpen your editing workflow. It also gives you a faster way to discover AI features and learn from other creators. That can save you time, help you understand new tools more quickly, and give you ideas you can apply to your own content. There's also potential for added visibility through the program, since it may highlight standout creators, templates, or tutorials. So if you're active and creating strong content, this could be a useful opportunity to get more exposure while continuing to develop your skills. That's all you need to do to get started. Visit the CapCut Pioneer website, click Join Now, and explore the program to see how it can support your content creation journey.